Welcome to today's Explainer. We're exploring a charming little yard fable that reveals a huge secret about teamwork. Okay, let's dive into this. Picture a beautiful sunny morning with a proud laundry line stretching across the yard. She proudly boasts, "I hold all the clothes!" Taking serious pride in her foundational, supporting role. But she's definitely not alone. Enter the little clothespin, just happily clipping shirts and socks onto the line. He cheerfully smiles and adds, "I help keep them safe from falling." This perfectly illustrates their distinct but totally vital roles. One stays completely steady, and the other holds super tight. It's basically a perfect system. But what actually happens when strong gusts suddenly start to blow? Boom, the peaceful scene vanishes. One afternoon, these really intense, aggressive winds unexpectedly sweep through our quiet yard. Danger strikes literally immediately. A tiny sock catches that wind and almost flies completely away. But the little clothespin springs into rapid action, clamping down and quickly holding that tiny sock tight. Meanwhile, the laundry line doesn't snap at all. She remains perfectly strong and steady against the violent wind. Their teamwork totally pays off. The clothes dry safely, and our two friends are laughing happily together. So the crucial point is simple. Working together helps us handle difficult times. Let's move to and see how this builds into something much bigger. Ancient global wisdom. This exact yard fable reflects an ancient Sanskrit proverb which simply means unity is strength. So take a quick moment to reflect. How does unity give you strength in difficult times?